Hello class, Bryce Parks here. So in this video we're going to be looking at how to actually record a video in the Screencastify program. You're going to be using this for one or a few of your assignments depending on which of my classes you're in. So if you bring up a Google browser, you should be able to see in the upper right hand corner this little red arrow. This is your Screencastify program. This allows you to be able to record video and to upload short videos. I want to say the student edition may max out at 5 minutes. I don't remember exactly on that, but I just want to give you a heads up there. In order to use this Screencastify program, once you bring up Chrome, you just simply come up here to the red arrowhead where if you hover your mouse it says Screencastify. You click on it and it's going to bring down a little box. Now if you've never used Screencastify before, it might have you walk through a process where you enable it or register with it and put your email address in there to link up your Google account. You'll use your student account to link up with that. But in this case, I've already done that, obviously, and so now I'm going to walk through this process and make this Screencastify video. So I've clicked this, it drops down this little dialog box. Now you can set it up to record just a browser tab, to record your entire desktop, or you can do webcam only, and the webcam only would be your entire face. So this would be for a presentation if you were presenting just you. The desktop would be if you're showing a video of something that you've perhaps made that's on your desktop, or the browser tab here showing a video of maybe something in a tab on Chrome, Google Chrome. So I'm going to go to, let's say the webcam only. So I click on webcam only, and notice here it defaults to a microphone. In this particular case, it'll probably be your Chromebook microphone and your Chromebook camera. If you want to see more options, you can click that as well. If you notice for desktop, it does allow you to enable a webcam. You can turn that on or off, and it would show a little picture of you down here if you enable a webcam. Okay, the countdown timer, I would recommend that. The show drawing tools, that's helpful too. System audio, I think, is if you're playing like a YouTube video in your presentation. So let me just click on webcam only, and now I'm going to click on record. So now it's going to turn on. It's going to count to 3 and then turn that on. And so now it's recording me and I can give my video presentation. So you would use this feature, say for example, if you were actually given a speech or a presentation for your introduction to the class, introducing yourself for a video assignment, or you could also use this feature for, say for example, if you design something. So if you made, let's say you were in my ITE course and you made a Rube Goldberg contraption and you want to show the ball and have it go over this obstacle course that you made, you could just simply pick this up and you could scroll it around so that you could show all of that in action in real time. Okay, so that is actually how you would go about doing that. And recording a video from your Chromebook. Once you record that, you're going to come down here and hit stop. It's going to process your video, turn off your camera, and so forth. And it's going to pop up this page right here. And this page is your video editor. So if I click unmute my video presentation, so you would use this feature, say for example, if you were, so it shows you the video. And in your version, it does allow you to do certain things. So for example, you may be able to trim or cut your video down, cut out parts that you don't want, what have you. You can play around with that in the open in editor mode, and it will do that. It'll allow you special tools. I want to say you can splice videos, you can add text, possibly add background music or graphics or what have you. So that might be some features you might want to mess around with. In this one, I'm going to give it a name. So let's say that it was the video presentation. You can change your name here and click on that. You can type in your name there. You can open it up in editor and add in the additions that you need. Once you do all that, come over here when you're ready to share this link and submit it for the assignment. You would just simply click on copy shareable link. That has now copied it. So when you go into, let's say for example, an assignment, if you wanted to post that, now this is just the assignment details for a particular assignment, but if you were under student, you would just attach the shareable link. And once again, to paste that, you just right click and hit paste, and it would actually link in or give you that shareable link that you can submit for a file. Please let me know if you have any questions on how to record a video in Screencastify. This is a program that there's a lot of videos on YouTube out there and available, so please feel free to do a little digging or research if you want to know more about how to use this program. Thanks and have a great day.